Hello, puppy. Hello, good girl. Oh, how are you doing? Hey, you want to say hi to the people? Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, come here. Come on, Nika. Bed? Bed? Good girl. Stay. There you go, good girl. There we go. Everybody loves somebody. Dean Martin, baby. Time to ruin this record. You're coming with me. The doctor is in. What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is ModiMakes, and today I'm gonna be getting some much needed redemption. I was supposed to do this project as the very first project to ever come out on my YouTube channel, but because of technical difficulties and some mistakes that I made that we're not gonna go into, just trust me on this one, you don't wanna know. I screwed up the piece really bad. So now that I've had some more experience doing stuff with Posca paint pens, and now that I think this is gonna be my 20th video to be released on the channel, and I've been putting more time and effort into everything that I do, it is time to finally get back to doing custom painted vinyl records. I'm actually going to be making this into a diptych, which, if you don't know what that means, it's just two art pieces that make up one whole art piece. So I have 4 vinyls, and it's going to be 2 vertical designs. 2 of them are my classic pink color, and 2 of them are my classic like golden yellow color. If you remember from my custom painted skateboard videos, I've used that color combination a few times. Without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? Man, I really can't snap right now because I messed up my hand. Sorry if that's a little gross for some of you guys. My finger hits it and it hurts pretty bad. So 1 finger snap this time. Let's do it. So, I got my records here spray painted, and I hit them with a layer of matte medium, which I didn't film because I've been showing you guys a lot of videos where I've been using matte medium recently, and it's a super easy process. So if you want to check out how to do it, just go back and look at pretty much any of my custom painted skateboard videos. We'll show it to you, but you literally just grab a brush and just cover the whole thing in a layer of matte medium. Let's check this out. This is you guys. This is what you guys look like, huh? And the other thing I'm gonna be doing to have some fun with this today, because I haven't done it in a long time, I'm going completely freehand. I'm gonna go with charcoal pencils because I always find that it's pretty difficult to erase normal pencils over these kinds of surfaces. So I'm gonna be using charcoal pencils so that I can have just a wet rag to use as an eraser. I can already tell that this is going to be rough to edit because I have no idea what I'm doing. Bet you guys didn't expect me to show up in this format this early. Ha-ha! Gotcha.
But Modi,
I can hear you guys saying,
you got 2 more records to make.
hey, you know what? That's true, you little snitch. I do have 2 more records to make. But here's the real, guys. These bad boys are taking much longer than expected. I've been at the studio till about midnight, working 11 hours, sometimes even more days for the last couple days. And in lieu of driving myself insane, I decided that I'm gonna split this up into 2 different videos. So if you want to see the finished product of all 4 of them, you're gonna have to tune in next week. And just come back. No, don't leave yet, It's all good, it's all good. I finished up one of each of the colors, so I'll still be showing you guys final shots for these 2 pieces, and I'll show you the context with the sketches for the other 2, but I'm just not gonna finish the paintings this week. It's not gonna work. This is what we have to do. Please forgive me and understand that I am working very hard to try to bring you guys this content. So with that all being said, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really do appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments which of the 2 that I've made so far is your favorite. Let me know what you think of this style of piece. And let me know if you have any recommendations for anything in the future. One of the interesting things about doing this video is this style is a style that I'm actually pretty well known for, even though you guys have never seen it on the channel before. But normally I do this style digitally, and this is only the 2nd time I've ever attempted it physically, and the first time did not go at all. This time I think it's going really well. But it definitely has a completely different vibe to when I do it digitally. If you want to see some of the digital versions of this stuff, check out my Instagram, links in the description below. Those are a lot cleaner, but these I think have a lot more character to them. And as it goes, that sort of tends to be hand in hand. As you make things cleaner and perfect, they get more sterile. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we?